Good morning, children. Once again, welcome to this class. Children, in this class, we'll be studying about the development of embryo. Because in previous class, we've already studied about the fertilization and implantation. Now, after implantation of this embryo in the woman's body, in the uterus wall, the woman is said to be pregnant. Now, this embryo starts growing in the embryo stage. Now, the unborn baby, it remains in the embryo for about 8 weeks of pregnancy. Now, this 8 weeks of pregnancy or this embryo, we cannot identify any features of the body because hands, legs, head, eyes and ears, they are not present till now. But this embryo, it continues to grow and develop in the uterus to form a baby. Now, after developing body parts such as hands, legs, head, eyes and ears, they started forming. Now, at this stage, the baby is said to be, or the unborn baby is said to be called fetus. Now, this fetus lasts for about 38 weeks or about 9 months from the fertilization of the egg till the fully developed baby. Now, when this development of the fetus gets completed, the mother gives birth to the baby. Now, what is a birth? Now, this development of embryo in the uterus takes place over a period of about 40 weeks or 38 weeks. Now, this period, it is known as gestation period. Now, at the end of this gestation period, the baby comes out of the mother's womb. First, the head comes out through the vagina, and for this purpose, it requires an immense force by the contraction of the muscles of the uterus. After the birth, what happens? The growth and development started in the body of a baby. So, let's start with the growth and development. So, what does growth means? Growth refers to the increase in the size and number of cells. That means when a baby comes out from the mother's womb, it starts growing in size, and this size assumes by the increase in number of cells of the body. Now, this is irreversible process. We cannot go back again with our original size when we were born, but it is an irreversible process. So, after the birth of the child, the second stage of growth takes place outside the mother's womb, and these are the following stages which takes place during the growth. Number 1 comes the infancy. Now, this is the stage, or this is the first stage of growth after the birth of a child, and this lasts for about 2 years. Now, during this time, the baby, it grows fastly or rapidly. It tries to speak, and it tries to learn to sit and stand, and starts trying to recognize the things and the people around him or her. Now, after infancy comes the childhood. It is the second stage of growth, and this stage, it lasts for about 12 years. Now, physical changes also takes place in this period, and child continues to grow intellectually, emotionally and socially. Okay. After childhood comes the adolescence stage. Now, children, this adolescence stage, it is near about 10 years, after 10 years or 11 years till 17 years. Okay. Now, you know, children, that growing, it is a natural process, and growth starts from the day a child is born. Okay. Now, this young human being below the age of full physical development is called a child. But when the child crosses the age of 10 or 11 years, there is sudden change in her or his body growth, and this changes are noticeable. Now, there's rapid changes in the body. From this stage onwards, they are the part of the growing up. Now, these changes show that their first child is not comes under the childhood, nor he becomes an adult. So, a mature human being who is fully grown and developed, it is called an adult. But there is a period of life in the human being, children, when a person is neither comes under child nor comes under an adult. Now, this transitional period of physical and mental development which occurs between the childhood and adulthood, it is called as adolescence. Or we can define adolescence as it is the time between childhood and adulthood. Now, after crossing the age of adolescence comes the puberty. Now, children, in this stage, there are many changes takes place in both the girl and the boy. Now, their reproductive systems, they start functioning also under the influence of the hormones, and they become active at this time, and this time is known as puberty. When the reproductive system or the reproductive organs become active, it is known as puberty. Now, at this stage, number of mental, physical and emotional development occurs, and this period of development is known as puberty, which is followed by hormonal changes. Now, puberty, girls starts at the age of 10 to 13 years, whereas boys, it start at the age of 12 to 14 years. Now, during this puberty, many changes takes place in the body of a girl and a boy. Like in boys, there is growth, deeper voice in boys, development of facial hairs, and in girls, children, development of breast, starting of the menstruation. Now, these are all the changes which occurs at this time. Now, after this comes the adulthood. Now, this individual is said to be an adult when he or she reaches at the age of 18 to 20 years. That means after adolescence, that means from 18 years, the person is said to be an adult. An adult is emotionally grounded and is mature enough to handle the situation. Now, they learn to take independent decisions and they attain a sense of responsibility while focusing on their future. So, children, this is all about the reproductive system and reproduction in animals. I hope you all have enjoyed this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.